Ahoy, mateys! Getting ready to board the Pirate's Ransom for our sightseeing cruise here around the intercoastal in Clearwater and the Gulf of Mexico here on Clearwater Beach. So this should be pretty exciting, pretty fun, and hopefully we're not made to walk the plank.
Well, ahoy there, mates, and welcome to Captain Memo's Pirate Cruise!
Aboard ship, where we did get free beer and wine, by the way.
Hey mates, if you keep your eyes forward, you might see some dolphin. We got some dolphin in the general vicinity, but I just saw one by the quarter dozen prophets off to our port bow.
So that's the Gulf of Mexico in front of us. So we have Sand Key Beach, or Sand Key, to the left of us here, and Clearwater Beach over here on the right. So that is Sand Key Beach right there.
Spotted none other than the evil ghost of Blackbird ashore. Everyone say, shiver me timber. Shiver me timber. Well, do not worry, mates. Have no fear. We are rolling out the cannon. We are bringing out the sharpshooter. Make some noise for the one, the only Cutlass Chris and his tiny cannon. inspiration or the influence. That is an average size cannon. Well, despite the complications in size, that cannon is rather loud, so when the cannon rings about twice, cover your ears. Indeed, mates, cover those ears, cover those ears. Moms and dads, you should cover your little ears. Cover your ears.